हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, सो हमने कंप्लीट किया था पिछले बार वर्कशीट 3 अप टू लेवल 2, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 तक. ठीक है, हम आज स्टार्ट करेंगे लेवल 3 क्वेश्चन 16 से. तो क्वेश्चन 16 में पूछा है एलसीएम ऑफ तीन पॉलिनोमियल्स का एलसीएम पूछा है. पहला पॉलिनोमियल है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 10x प्लस 24. दूसरा पॉलिनोमियल है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 8x प्लस 12. और तीसरा पॉलिनोमियल है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 8. ठीक है, ऐसे तीन पॉलिनोमियल्स दिए हैं, इनका पूछा है एलसीएम. ओके, तो फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल we have to find the factors of the third term so that multiplication should be 24 and addition should be minus 10. So first we will find factors. Factors are 2 into 12. Again check it at first. Okay, so 2 into 12 is 24, but we want some minus 10. So if I take minus 12 here, 2 multiplied by minus 12 is okay. No, it is not coming. Again we will find another factor 3 8s. It will also not. Okay, 6 4s is 24 also. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24 plus 24, but we want minus. So if I take here minus 6 multiplied by 4 is okay. Again you have to take minus here. Now minus 6 multiplied by minus 4 is 24 and minus 6 plus of minus 4 is minus 10. So sum is coming minus 10 and multiplication is coming plus 24. So the factors will be minus 6 minus 4. X minus 6 and x minus 4. Okay. Now again, for this multiplication should be 12 and addition should be minus 8. So 2 6 is 12. Here it is plus 12, but here it is minus. So if we add minus to both terms, both numbers, so sum is coming as minus 8. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 and minus 2 multiplied by minus 6 is plus 12. So the factors are x minus 2 and x minus 6. Now third polynomial, here third term is 8, so we will find the factors of 8. 2 4 is 8 and sum we want minus 6. So if I take here minus 2 minus 4, so minus 2 into minus 4 is 8 and sum of this minus 2 plus of minus 4, it will be minus 6. So factors are x minus 2 and x minus 4. Okay, we have found the factors of all these three polynomials. Now we will see which are the common factors. Now here it is x minus 6. Here also it is x minus 6. We can also compare between two polynomials if three polynomials are given for LCM. Okay. Here x minus 6 are common. Again here x minus 4, here also it is x minus 4. So x minus 4 is also common. Now x minus 2, here also it is x minus 2, so x minus 2 will also be common. We are taking common from two polynomials. We can take common from two polynomials also for LCM. Okay. So all are common. So what are common? X minus 2, x minus 4 and x minus 6, and uncommon is not there, all are common. So I have written all the factors. LCM is x minus 2, x minus 4 and x minus 6. Okay. So the option is second one, x minus 6, x minus 4 and x minus 2. Okay. Now 17th question. If x square plus x minus 2 is the GCD of the expressions, two expressions are given and their GCD is given. X square plus x minus 2, GCD is given of two expressions. They are x minus 1, 2x square plus ax plus 2. Another expression is x plus 2, 3x square plus bx plus 1. And we have to find the value of a and b. Okay, these two expressions are given, first and second one. These expressions are given and their GCD is given as x square plus x minus 2. Okay, now we have to find a and b. So first we will find the factors of GCD. Okay, x square plus x minus 2. So again, multiplication of two numbers, that it should be minus 2 and sum should be plus 1. So those two numbers are factors of 2 are 2 into 1, but here it is minus. So I can write here minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 and their sum minus 2 plus 1 is, no, I have to write here, I have to take smaller number as minus because sum is plus. Okay, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and 2 plus of minus 1 plus of minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so those two numbers are 2 and minus 1. So the factors will be x plus 2 and x minus 1. Okay, now GCD here it is given as GCD. So x plus 2 and x minus 1 are the GCD of these two polynomials. Okay, so if we put these factors in these polynomials, we can get the value of a and b. Okay, because if they are factors, so if I put these values in this, so it will be equals to 0. Okay, so in first expression is x minus 1, 2x square plus ax plus 2. Now it should be equal to 0 because this is the factor of this polynomial. Okay, so if I put, I want it as 0, every term at 0 as 0 because this is the factor. If I put here 2, here x will be equals to minus 2 and x will be equals to 1 from this. Okay, so if I put minus 2 here, it will not be equal to 0. Then then I will put 1 here. Then 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. If I put here x equals to 1, I have to put here in this expression x equals to minus 2. So it will be 2 into minus 2 square plus a into minus 2 plus 2. This will be equals to 0 as this is the factor of this polynomial. So minus 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 2a is equals to 0. So 2a will be equals to 10 and a will be equals to 5. So we have got a as 5. I write it here, a is equals to 5. Now we have put x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 1 in the first expression. Now we will put these values in the second expression. Okay, second expression is x plus 2, 3x square plus bx plus 1. It will be equals to 0 because this is the GCD and these are the factors of these two polynomials. So it should be equal to 0. So if I put 1 here, it will not be equal to 0. So I have to put minus 2 here to make it 0. So minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Now I have put here minus 2. So I have to put it here x equals to 1. So it will be 3 into 1 square plus b into 1 plus 1 and it will be equals to 0. Okay. 1 square is 1, 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus b equals to 0. Then b will be equals to minus 4. Okay. We have found b as minus 4. Understood up to this? We have found the factors of GCD given of these two expressions. We have found factors. Then put these factors in the both the polynomials to make it 0. It should be 0. Okay. So we have found a as 5 and b as minus 4. So the option is second one, 5 and minus 4. Now matrix match type. The LCM of x minus b and x minus c is, two expressions are given, x minus b and x minus c. Okay. These are two polynomials given and their LCM is given as x square minus 9. Their LCM is given as x square minus 9 and one condition is also given. They are saying that b is greater than c. Okay. And we have to find 2b plus 4c. These two expressions are given. Their LCM is given as x square minus 9 and one condition is given that b should be greater than c. And 2b plus 4c we have to find. So we have to find first b and c. So first we will find the factors of LCM. LCM is given as x square minus 9. So I can write 9 as x square minus 3 square. Okay. I have write 9 as 3 square. Now it is a square minus b square. Formula of a square minus b square was a plus b, a minus b. Okay. A square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Here a is x and b is 3. So it should be x plus 3 and x minus 3. Okay. So these are the factors. This is the LCM of these two polynomials. Okay. So I can write a value of x from here, x plus 3 equals to 0. So x will be equals to minus 3 and x equals to 3. Okay. We have found the b and c. Okay. From this LCM is x plus 3, x minus 3 and from this we have calculated x equals to minus 3 and x equals to 3. So these are b and c, but one condition is given, b is greater than c. So what will be b? B will be 3, bigger number, and c will be minus 3. Okay. Now we have found b as 3 and c as minus 3. Because condition is given b is greater than c. Now we have to find 2b plus 4c. So we can easily find 2b plus 4c. Just put in the values of b and c. So it will be 2 into 3 plus 4 into minus 3. Okay. I have put the value of b and c. B is 3 and c is minus 3. So it will be 2 3s are 6 and 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. So 6 minus 12 will be minus 6. So 2b plus 4c is equals to minus 6. So our option is Q, that is minus 6. Okay. Now B, x minus a is the HCF of, HCF is given as x minus a. And polynomials are given as x square minus 42x minus 343. And other polynomial is given as x square plus ax minus 98. And we have to find a. Okay, these two polynomials are given x square minus 42x minus 343, and second one is x square plus ax minus 98, and HCF of these two polynomials is given as x minus a. So first here it is all numbers are given, so we will find the factor of this first polynomial. So it is x square minus 42x minus 343. Now multiplication of two numbers such that two numbers whose multiplication is minus 343 and sum is minus 42. Do you remember 343 is the cube of what? 343 is the cube of 7. If I multiply 7 3 times, it is equals to 343. So if I take 7 into 7 as 49, 49 into 7. So 49 into 7 is 343. Okay, but here it is minus. Also here it is minus. So we have to take bigger number as minus. So check, minus 49 into 7 is minus 343, and their sum, if I take their sum, minus 49 plus 7, it is equals to minus 42. Okay. So the multiplication of minus 49 and 7 is coming minus 343, and their sum is coming as minus 42. So the factors are x minus 49 and x plus 7. So x minus 49 and x plus 7 are the factors, okay, of this polynomial. Now if I find the value of x from this, x is equals to 49, and from here x is equals to minus 7. Okay, as x minus a is the HCF of this polynomial, so x minus a should be equal to 0. Okay, as it is the HCF, it should be equals to 0 because it is the factor of these two polynomials. Okay, factors are equal to 0 always. So it will be x equals to a. I can find from HCF x minus a equals to 0, x will be equals to a. Okay, and we have to find the value of a. Okay, so a is equals to x, and x is coming as 49 and minus 7. So a will be equals to 49 or a will be equals to minus 7. But in the options 49 is not given, only minus 7 is given, that is option S. Okay, so B, for B question it is option S, that is minus 7. Okay, if 49 was also given, we had to write the option of 49 also, but here only minus 7 is given. Okay. Now see, HCF and LCM of two polynomials. Two polynomials are given, x square minus 10x minus 24. And second polynomial is given as x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, these two polynomials are given and their HCF is given as x plus a, and their LCM is given as x plus a, x plus b and x minus c. Okay, and ABC belongs to natural numbers. ABC belongs to natural numbers. Okay, so then a plus b plus c is, we have to find a plus b plus c. We can't find directly because we don't know the value of a, b and c. So first we have to find the values of a, b and c, then add it up. Okay, so now we will find the factors of these two polynomials. We will directly find the HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM is given, but it is given in the form of a, b and c. So first we will find the HCF and LCM. So we can get the exact value of HCF and LCM. Okay, so x square minus 10x minus 24. So two numbers whose multiplication should be minus 24. So they are 2 into minus 12. 2 multiplied by minus 12 is minus 24, and if we sum it up, 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Okay, so the sum is coming as minus 10 and multiplication is coming as minus 24. So the factors are x plus 2 and x minus 12. Okay, now second one, x square plus 5x plus 6. Two numbers whose multiplication should be 6 and addition should be 5. Those two numbers are 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so the two numbers whose factors are x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, HCF and LCF was given, but it was not given in the exact form. So I have find the factors of the two polynomials given, x plus 2 and x minus 12, and second polynomials factors are x plus 2, x plus 3. Now I will find actual HCF. What is actual HCF? In the form of numbers. HCF is, first we have to take common. So common is only x plus 2. Okay, HCF is x plus 2. We have to just take common in the HCF. Okay, now in LCM we will take common factors as well as uncommon factors. So first I will write common factor. Common factor should be written only once. Okay, now I have written common factor. Now uncommon factors. Uncommon factors are x plus 3 and x minus 12. Okay, HCF x plus 2 and LCM is x plus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 12. Now I rub it. Now if I compare this with, I write it here, HCF is equals to x plus 2 and LCM we have calculated as x plus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 12. Now in the question HCF was given as x plus a. So if we compare this HCF x plus a and here HCF was coming as x plus 2. So if I compare this HCF and this HCF, it is value of a is coming as 2. Okay, a is equals to 2. If I compare LCM, here it is x plus a, x plus 2. A value of a we have already calculated from HCF. X plus a, here it is x plus 2, means a is equals to 2. Now next term x plus b here, now here it is x plus 3. So b will be equals to 3. Now x minus c, here it is x minus 12. So c should be equals to 12. Okay, I have calculated factors of these two polynomials and I have found HCF and LCM separately. Then I am comparing the HCF and LCM given in the question with the LCM and HCF we have calculated. Okay, so I have found a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to 12. Now we can calculate a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c will be equals to 2 plus 3 plus 12. It will be equals to 17. Okay, so a plus b plus c equals to 17. That is option R. For C, option is R. Okay. Now D, again GCD of two numbers is given. Two numbers means two polynomials. Okay. Then two polynomials are a square minus 23a plus 132, and second polynomial is given as a square minus 4a minus 77. Okay, and their GCD means HCF. GCD or HCF is given as a minus k, and we have to calculate the value of k. Okay, these two polynomials are given. GCD or HCF of these two polynomials is given as a minus k, and we have to calculate k. Okay, so I will find the factors first. Just like the previous example, I will find the factors, then HCF, then I will compare the HCF with this HCF. Okay, So first polynomial is a square minus 23a plus 132. So the factors, two numbers whose multiplication is 132. So 12 multiplied by 11. See, 12 multiplied by 11 is 132 and here it is plus, so here also plus. Now here it is minus, so I have to take here minus minus, okay. So minus minus should be equals to plus. Minus 12 into minus 11, it is plus 132, and if I sum it up, minus 12 minus 11, it is minus 23, okay. So the factors are a minus 12 and a minus 11, okay. Now second polynomial is this one, a square minus 4a minus 77. I have to find the factors, so that multiplication should be minus 77 and sum should be minus 4. So if I find factor, 7 into 11 is 77, but here it is minus, also here it is minus, so bigger number should be minus, so that sum should come minus. Now 7 into minus 11 is minus 77, and 7, if I add it up, 7 minus 11, it will be equals to minus 4, okay. Now multiplication is coming minus 77, and if I sum it up, it is coming as minus 4. So the factors are 7 and minus 11, x plus 7 and x minus 11, okay. A, here it is a, okay. Now we will find HCF of these two polynomials. HCF is, take the common factors. Common factor is a minus 11. So HCF will be a minus 11. Now I will compare the HCF given in the question and I have calculated, okay. If I compare it, here it is a minus k and HCF we have calculated is a minus 11. So k should be equals to 11, okay. So the option is P, k is equals to 11. So today we have completed worksheet 3, okay. Do you have any doubts in this? Yes? Okay. We will start worksheet 4 in the next lecture. Up to that, okay, bye.